Riri ndereti ya kuhagura Rigathi Gachagua ta munini wa president irathie na mbere mathingithi magi uteti maria mamugumeire ni moete mwerekera mweru thutha wa senator wa Tana River Danson Mugatana kwandikithia mutaratara wa guthurima mitugo na migendere ya Rigathi ta munini wa president bunge-ini ya Senate.
After the brief statement, I'll say it in English and in Kiswahili.
Akiaria na andikia mohoro Mugatana igite mitugo ya Rigathi ni yagararite watho na ni mugaru na mihitwa ya wabici yake undu uria ukirukite gatiba ya bururi.
Hii Kenya iko na shida na hatuwezi kukubali mtu mmoja kukataa kufanya kazi yake na kuingiza mambo mengi badala ya kufanya ile kazi ambayo katiba ya Kenya ilimpatia. Katiba ya Kenya inaendelewa kuvunjwa kila siku. Kila matamshi ambayo yanaendelezwa saa hii ni matamshi ambayo yako nje ya kikatiba.
Niogereire kuga kuma riria Rigathi yukirie matamu ta munini wa president akoretwo agituhuka miario ya kurehe tukano kuri muingi wa bururi nere no hoti wa gucogera kuhaguka gwa thayu wa muingi.
I am motivated to file this censure motion against the holder of the office of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya because of conduct and becoming of that office.
Mamwe maundu maria Mugatana orotete ni miario ya Rigathi akiuga thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni ta kambuni na shareholders nio magirirwo ni gwikirirwo kuheo mieke ya mawira. Haha shareholders maria ikia kura kuma nduriri iria ciaikirie President William Ruto kura kwa wingi. Undu ungi ni ritana ria one man one vote one shilling. Rigathi akiuria utonga wa bururi ugayagwo kuringana na wingi wa andu undu uria wonekanite ta ungiguna gitaru kia Mount Kenya kuria aumite.
The Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya has been conducting himself as if he belongs to only one region of the Republic of Kenya, to the exclusion of other regions of the Republic of Kenya, to the exclusion of other counties such as Tana River County in the Republic of Kenya.
Kuringana na Mugatana maundu maya ni maguthukania muingi na icigo imwe cia bururi mugaru na gatiba.
The President, the Deputy President and several other officers are state officers. State officers are bound by the oath of office they take and the values that are stipulated in the Constitution, Article number 10. National values include preaching unity. National values include non-discrimination.
Maya mokite riri Rigathi na thiriti yake mathiete na mbere kuga kuri na njama ebangitwo ni thirikari ya kumuhagura kuma gituro-ini kiu kwa ihinda ria ciumia igiri ciukite no igatongorio ni ambunge akiuma kiama kia ODM niguo kwihithania.
We came together with our brothers from the Rift Valley to support President William Ruto and we agreed. Let us not create a situation where these communities never trust each other in future.
Akiaria muthenya wa ira mwena wa Thika kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, Rigathi ni aroririe President Ruto ecirie keri iguru rigie kuhagurwo gwake kuona ni undu ungirehe njetukano bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.